25 sentences using the word beneath. The cat hid beneath the bed during the thunderstorm. They found the treasure chest buried beneath the old oak tree. The carpet was stained beneath the coffee table. She wore a warm sweater beneath her coat. The river flowed gently beneath the bridge. Beneath his calm exterior, he was actually very nervous. The basement is located beneath the main floor of the house. There were secrets hidden beneath her smile. The roots of the tree spread far beneath the ground. He discovered a hidden passage beneath the castle. She could feel the cool grass beneath her feet. The documents were stored safely beneath the floorboards. Beneath the water's surface, there were colorful fish swimming. He felt a sense of peace lying beneath the starry sky. She placed the key beneath the welcome mat. Beneath the bustling city, there's an extensive subway system. The foundation of the building is strong beneath the soil. There was a layer of dust beneath the old books. The mouse scurried away and disappeared beneath the sofa. The flowers blossomed beautifully beneath the warm sunlight. The soldiers marched beneath the banner of their country. She hid her diary beneath her pillow. The path wound through the forest and beneath the towering trees. He knelt down and looked beneath the car for any damage. Beneath the layers of paint, the original mural was still visible.